Hello everyone, John from PCE, here to put a spotlight on our T-1500 fogger from Antari. We worked directly with Antari to develop this machine for primarily theme parks for their holiday season, such as Halloween. You'll notice that it's not on their website and there's no manuals for it. So this is what this video serves to do, is kind of inform you on how it works and best ways to use it. The great thing about this is that it's a 2-channel fogger. Channel 1 provides power to the heating core, while channel 2 will control the fog output. Now you may ask yourself, why would you do that in a fog machine? Well, for places like Knott's Berry Farm, where they have over 100 fog machines throughout mazes in different parts of the park, they want to be able to power off the heating core at the end of their night. Being able to power off your heating core reduces wear and tear on the machine, and it becomes a much more reliable machine that can be used for an entire season or for the entire year. I have a very simple DMX controller for this. So channel 1's currently up, which is engaging the heater core, while channel 2 controls the output of the fog when you need it to trigger. So obviously if I were to have channel 2 up and kick this off, we lose fog output because now we've completely taken power away from the heating core. Once you slide it back up, the heating core is now still active and still warm, so you can have fog output immediately. So very important to note is that you keep that channel 1 up and keep the power to the heating core if you're programming it into a show or something like that, so that way it won't have to go through a reheat cycle. So usually the reheat cycle is about 15 minutes. So if you end up taking it out and then wanting to use it 10 minutes later, it still will be in the middle of a reheat cycle. So while I'm using a very simple slider DMX controller that's only about 6 channels, if you're gonna put this into a larger console like an Ion XE or something like a MA console, what I would usually do is put channel 1, which is your heater core, at a non-dim at full type, and the second channel, which is your fog output, into like a fan or one of those kinds of settings. So that way you'll be able to tell those apart easily on your console. For being such a robust and reliable unit, you'll notice that when it's in standby mode, not outputting any fog, that it's nearly silent. You can be right up to it, not even hear a fan. The only time you're gonna hear a noise is when you turn on the fog. So this Halloween, if you're looking to add some extra smoke effects to your house, to your theater, to your rides, to your haunted mansion, anything like that, this is a great machine for you. Very versatile, it'll work great every time you use it. So make sure to call today to reserve your machine for your upcoming events, for Halloween, for a theater production, or just for fun for a backyard. We have plenty in stock, and be sure to check them out at Knott's Berry Farm this coming season.